Group 7, and our member there are Novia Nurul Anissa, Elizabeth Sihombing, and I am Wulansari. We will explain about error analysis and the difference between error, mistake, and lapses. And for the first is definition of error analysis. Error analysis is the systematic study of deviation from target language norm in the course language acquisition, especially in terms the learner developing interlanguage. According to Lennon, an error is a linguistic form or combination of form which is the same context and under similar condition of production word, in all likelihood not be produced by the speaker native speaker counterpart. Meanwhile, Cristaldi defines error analysis and language teaching and learning is the study of the unacceptable form produced by someone learning a language, especially a foreign language. And the next is importance of error. For the first, a speed coder was probably the first to point out and discuss the importance of error learners make in course of their learning a second language. Soon after, the study and analysis of linear error took a prominent place in applied linguistics. And the second is the process of second language learning is not very much different from learning a first language, and the feedback a L2 learner gets upon making error benefits him in developing the L2 knowledge.
Next, I will explain about the definition of error. Error are systematic, governed by rules, appear because of learners' knowledge of the rules of the target language is incomplete. Since they follow the rules of the learner, interlanguage indicative of learner's linguistic system at given stage of language learning. Error, especially a word or figure that is not said or written correctly. For example, his or he, transitional and competence or interlanguage development and occurring repeatedly and not recognized by the learners, in the sense that only teachers can look at them. And the other examples is Anna and Mike is going skiing. Anna and Mike are going skiing. This is a grammatical error. Anna and Mike is a plural subject, so we use are as a to be. Next, there is a definitions of mistakes. Mistakes are random deviations unrelated to any system and instead representing the same types of performance mistake that might occur in the speech or writing of native speaker, such as slips of the tongue or Freudian lips. Mistake especially the one that is caused accidentally or being careless, as you have hissed all my history lecturers, instead of you have missed all my history lecturers. Slips of the ear, as in great app instead gray tap tail start. Lack of subject-verb agreement in a long complicated sentence. Non-linguistic factors such as fatigue, strong emotion, memory limitation or lapses, lack of concentration. The other example of mistakes is every girl must bring their own lunch. Every girl must bring her lunch.
Okay, the next point is about definition of lapses. Lapses are error due to language speakers, which means to declare something before the whole utterance or sentence expressed more finished. For spoken language, this type of error is termed the slip of tongue. Language was to write. Type of error is termed slip of the pen. This error occurs due to accidental and not recognized by native speaker. For example, Maria is a pretty girl. He is very humble. This is an incorrect sentence. And the correct sentence is Maria is a pretty girl. She is very humble. And then the conclusion about the differences between error, mistake, and lapses is error. Error is a word figure that is not said or written correctly. And mistake is caused accidentally or bring chaos. And the last lapses is the one that is caused by slip of tongue or by intention. Okay everyone, that is the presentation from our group 7. Thank you for watching.